Updating your registered email address in HelloLeads CRM is a straightforward process, whether you're modifying your own personal login or managing a team member's account. By following these steps, you'll ensure the new address is verified and active for all future logins. Before we begin, you can put your phone down. This specific update cannot be performed through the Android mobile app. You will need to log in to the HelloLeads web app using a browser on your desktop or laptop. Requiring this change through the web app provides a more stable environment to process the update and ensures your data remains synced correctly across your entire account. Let's start with an individual profile. Open your browser and log in to your HelloLeads account. Navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on My Profile. Locate the email ID field. Delete the old address, type in your new one, and click Submit. Now, leave the CRM open in this tab and open a second tab to access the inbox of your new email address. Look for an automated verification email from the HelloLeads team. If the email doesn't appear in your main inbox within a minute, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the message, open it and click the verification link. This step confirms that you have access to the new address and authorizes the system to finalize the change. As soon as you click that link, HelloLeads automatically logs you out of all active sessions on every app and device. This is a standard security protocol to refresh your credentials. It doesn't mean anything has gone wrong with your account. Simply return to the HelloLeads login screen to sign back in. From this point forward, you must use your newly verified email address in the ID field. Your password remains the same, so enter your original password to gain access. By ending all active sessions, the system ensures that your existing password is now correctly associated with your updated email address across the entire platform. If you need to update an email address for someone else on your team, the process is slightly different. To manage other users, you must be logged in as the account owner. Go through the list to find the team member who needs the update. Click the edit icon next to their name, enter the new email ID, and save your changes. This administrative control allows you to manage team access and keep your user list accurate from a single dashboard. That's it. You are now successfully signed into HelloLeads with the updated credentials. If you're an account owner who just updated a team member's email, reach out to them via your preferred messaging tool. Remind them that they now have a new login ID, but their password hasn't changed. Thank you for watching. For more specific guides or troubleshooting tips, visit the HelloLeads Support Center. By keeping your account details current, you ensure your team stays connected to your lead data without any interruptions in access.